Today we are going to learn chapter number first, civics. Introduction to the parliamentary system. In this chapter we will learn the machinery or the system of government as given in the Indian Constitution. हम ये जो चैप्टर है इसमें भारतीय संविधान में द मशीनरी और द सिस्टम ऑफ गवर्नमेंट की स्टडी करने वाले हैं. सो हैव यू थॉट ऑफ दिस? व्हाट इज़ द पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम ऑफ गवर्नमेंट? इन इंडिया we have prime minister, but why is there no prime minister in the United States of America? What is the difference between a parliamentary and a presidential system of government? Now in this, when we are studying the introduction to the parliamentary system, we arises lot of questions related to the parliamentary system. Now in this chapter we will discuss about thorough study parliamentary system. Okay, so this question would lead us to conclude that every country has a different form of government. Before we go ahead to understand different types of government systems, let us get information about the main branches of government. Each and every country has a different form of government. हर एक कंट्री की, हर एक देश का डिफरेंट टाइप्स का गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म होता है. ओके, सो बिफोर वी गो अहेड टू अंडरस्टैंड डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट सिस्टम, द फंक्शन ऑफ लेजिस्लेचर इज टू मेक लॉज, द एग्जीक्यूटिव इम्प्लीमेंट्स द लॉ एंड द जुडिशियरी प्रोवाइड जस्टिस. द फंक्शन ऑफ these organs, their jurisdiction and limitations on their power and the interrelationship between these organs are decided by the Constitution. It is the nature of their interrelationship that determines the system of government adopted in a particular country. Now there are two main types of government system that are followed. First, parliamentary system. Second, presidential system. Now, first, parliamentary system of government. We discuss here the parliamentary system of government developed primarily in England. Now first, the parliamentary system of government developed firstly in England. The English constitution is an unwritten constitution. Underline, the English constitution is an unwritten constitution. The governance is carried out in accordance with traditions and custom and convention. The British Parliament is an institution that has evolved over a period of time. The parliamentary system of government having its root in Parliament is considered as a contribution of England. India has adopted this parliamentary system. So actually India adopted the parliamentary system primarily in England. So we can see some broad similarities in the parliamentary system of England and the parliamentary system of India. But when looked at an institutional level, the Indian parliamentary system is different in its content. Let us understand the characteristic of Indian parliamentary system of government in India. Now here is given the most important characteristic, the Indian parliamentary system of government in India. Okay, now first, the parliamentary system is a system of governance. The legislature of the central government is known as the parliament. Underline. So define here, parliament means the parliamentary system is a system of governance. The legislature of the central government is known as the parliament. The Indian parliament is composed of president, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. इसमें लोकसभा और राज्यसभा दो प्रकार के सभागृह रहते हैं. सो मेंबर ऑफ द लोकसभा आर डायरेक्टली इलेक्टेड बाय द पीपल. जो लोकसभा के मेंबर होते हैं वो डायरेक्टली पीपल उन्हें चुन के देते हैं, वहाँ पे वो लोकसभा में जाते हैं. द नंबर ऑफ मेंबर्स इन द हाउस इज़ फिक्स, और उसके लोकसभा के मेंबर फिक्स होते हैं. Election to the Lok Sabha are held at regular intervals. All political parties contest these elections. The party which gets more than half of the seats is considered as a majority party. The majority party forms the government. जो majority party होती है वो government form करती है, बनाती है government. Sometimes when no party gets a clear majority, अगर किसी पार्टी को clear majority नहीं मिली तो some parties come together to form a majority and they can establish the government. अगर ऐसा होता है कि किसी पार्टी को क्लियर मेजॉरिटी नहीं मिली तो अदर पार्टी कम टुगेदर एंड टू फॉर्म अ मेजॉरिटी एंड दे कैन एस्टेब्लिश द गवर्नमेंट. दिस काइंड ऑफ गवर्नमेंट इज नोन एज अ कंडीशनल गवर्नमेंट. इसी प्रकार के गवर्नमेंट को कंडीशन गवर्नमेंट कहा जाता है. सो इन दिस वे कैंडिडेट डायरेक्टली इलेक्टेड बाय पीपल बिकम मेंबर्स ऑफ द लेजिस्लेचर एंड द पार्टी इन मेजॉरिटी gets a chance to form the government. The leader of the majority party becomes the prime minister. She selects candidate for ministerial position from among his or her colleagues. Last characteristic, the prime minister and the council of ministers chosen by the prime minister together form the executive in the parliamentary system of government. In parliamentary system, the executive has a dual responsibility. First responsibility, as an executive they have implement laws. Second responsibility given, as they are the member of legislature, they also have fulfill responsibilities of the legislature. Okay.